Not me though. I'll be your light. Voy a hacer, yo no veo ni pinga. You got fish? You know what? I'm vegan all of a sudden. I'm vegan. I promise, I'm vegan.
You want to know what else is really fresh around here?
Whiskey.
The beer. Please, get out of my saloon.
What about the whiskey?
Bourbon?
You're a smooth Tennessee whiskey. Oh shit! I'm literally lighting it up for you. Yo, what in the football player is that?
I don't like this.
Oh shit! What? What is it?
Hey, no, not real. Somebody has to.
Oh!
Fuck.
What the fuck was that? Brooke got cooked!
I know.
What the fuck is that? Oh, it's a statue.
Can't go to the barber shop. You're right. She's gone mad. Just look at what she's done to me. Please, you can't go in there. I didn't want this.
Hey, yo! Oh! Yo, what? Perch and kuchas.
Let me grab my
Hey, she's grabbing scissors. Get the fuck out of here.
Like razor shaving.
You're the one running.
Yes.
Girl, I'm fat and slow.
The barbers!
Oh!
They're everywhere! They won't leave me alone! I love barbers.
Woo.
Won't you come in?
They are cooking in here. I think you got a rat problem.
Smell got your flavor. I think that's your flavor. But no, you're gonna taste the thing. You like to hate.
I do.
Now you're gonna burn.
Okay, I'm sorry. Oh, what in the Texas Chainsaw Massacre is this? Are they dirty sheets?
I don't like the bodies.
Are the sheets used?
God, it smells like fucking Earth's ass in here.
That was funny. What the heck? Oh, gross. I hate this room. Don't jinx it. Oh shit, what is that? What is that? Ah! Oh shit, he's behind me. Ah! He looked behind me. I'm not playing. Oh. Ah! We're being chased. Carajo! He's still following us!
No. No!